Good morning. Happy St. Patrick's Day. What a day to feel lucky. In about an hour, I'm gonna go pick up my C4 Corvette. Now yes, I am wearing green, so don't pinch me. Now this place is obviously not a car shop. I had my wife drop me off here at Starbucks on her way to work, and I'm gonna walk on over to Newman's once they open. I'm probably about a mile away from the shop. Could have picked a place that was closer, but I'm broke right now, and I have a Starbucks gift card. Wow, look what we got here. Time to go pick up my own Corvette. The sky definitely cleared up on time. Now there's supposed to be a little rain expected later in the evening today, but looks like I'll be able to get the car home in great weather. I'm probably about halfway to Newman's right now. I'm so out of shape. Decided to down my coffee at Starbucks before I left. Because if you've ever been in a C4, you know those cup holders are a total joke. And there she is. Look at that. All right, car's all good to go. Time for the first drive. Before, this car is a time capsule, but the problem with that is so are the tires. It's running on tires from, I believe, 2013, more than a decade old, so they got to get changed out right away. So first I'm taking this thing to get a smog check on the way home. Hopefully it'll pass. I cannot believe that was more than 60 miles an hour already. I'm barely stepping on it. For the smog test. More good luck on St. Patrick's Day. This car just passed smog. I'm gonna bring it home right now, and then hopefully finish all the registration stuff pretty soon so I can get new tires on it. Check out that sweet Corvette. So the smog test process actually went a lot more smoothly than I had expected. It only took about an hour. They had told me it might take up to two and a half hours because there was already a wait ahead of me. But yeah, I'm glad that was all done. The car passed, took it home, and now I'm at the DMV. Hopefully there's enough time for me to get in line without an appointment. Back at home again. It's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon already. Spent pretty much the whole day, the whole afternoon at the DMV. The line was much longer than the last time I was there, but hey, I got exactly what I needed. Check this out. Once I put that thing on, replace the old 2019 registration, I can now drive this car wherever I want. Now this is probably the only time this car will ever be this wet. It did start raining later in the afternoon. I couldn't make it home on time to bring it in the garage. But hey, at least I made the drive home safely without it raining. The weather was great the entire day. And now, hey, since it's already wet, might as well give it a good cleaning, right? Good morning. It's Saturday right now. I'm finally taking the Corvette out for a drive again. It's the first time I've brought it out since the day I brought it home, because obviously the tires aren't safe to drive, so it's been kind of tough resisting the temptation to bring her out, but here we are. I have a new set of Nittos already ordered. Same kind of tires that the car had before, except they're not more than a decade old anymore. So this is basically the last hurdle I have to overcome before I can really start enjoying the car for what it is. I hate curbs. Alright, America's tire for America's sports car. Tires are on, but I am almost out of gas. Thankfully made it to the gas station, got some gas. Now good to hit the road again. I am not used to spending $75 for a fill-up. Now the car has new tires, got gas, let's go for a drive. What an amazing car. Every time I get into it, it really feels like some sort of special occasion. I mean, even taking it to get smog tested or to get new tires, I feel like I was being treated like some sort of VIP. The guys at America's Tire loved the car and they were just floored when they saw the mileage on it. I'll make more videos in the future about why this car means so much to me on a personal level. But again, getting it has been a dream several years in the making. This past month has definitely felt like forever. But I can't believe this dream has actually come true now. TargaRossaC, welcome home.